Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper spider Gerbera daisy. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below the video along with the template to cut with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. First, have 3 of the first center and 2 of the second center on dark brown cardstock paper. And I have this quilling tool that helps roll the first center and then add hot glue every so often so it doesn't unravel, and especially at the end. Then add the next first center around this and continue until you have the 3 of the first center rolled. Next is the second center pattern. You will need a total of 2 of these. Fold the fringes down in the middle all the way and then grab this curling tool to help slightly curl in the folded edges. Then add this with the loose end inside on the first center roll. Add glue every so often to keep things in place. Then there should be a third center pattern that needed to be cut in a smaller size on pink paper and add that to the center. Then get another brown second center and fold down and shape and add that to the center. Go back to that pink center and add yellow marker to shade it in yellow. Next will be the third center on pink paper, but this one is a larger size. Take the curling tool and curl each fringe. I grab about 3 at a time and fully curl so it has this curly look on the fringes. Glue this to the center as well. Then cut 3 of the fourth center on pink cardstock paper and glue them on top of each other, crisscrossing and filling in the gaps as best as you can. And then shape these by curling some in and curling some out. These should have random shapes, and then glue that to the bottom of the center. Next, you need to cut 6 of the petals and in sets of 2 in 3 different sizes. Starting from the smallest set of 2, grab the stack together and then shape as best as you can to curl the sides of the petals in with all the petals, and add hot glue and crisscross the second one on top and fill in the gaps. Then go on to finish the rest of the petals in the other sizes as well. Shape the petals in the stack of 2 and then glue them in sets of 2. There should be a small, medium, and large, slightly bigger at a time. Then going backwards, start with the biggest set and add hot glue and add the medium set and try to crisscross as best as possible to fill in the gaps. Then add hot glue and add the smallest set. Lastly, add glue and add the center. Then use thicker floral wire and make a loop and bring the loop down to make it perpendicular to the rest of the floral wire. And then have the 2 bottom leaves cut on green cardstock paper. Add a hole on one of them and add the floral wire and add the glue on the loop and the second leaf crisscrossing on top to sandwich the floral wire in between. Then add glue and add that to the bottom of the flower. Then I felt my stem was just a little too thin compared to the real flowers, so I added tissue paper and used floral tape to cover that up. These flowers come in a variety of colors and have been so popular lately, so definitely give it a try in white for weddings and other colors. I also have a regular Gerbera daisy I'll be linking below. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.